Bueno, tratando de ponerle a la batería, trying to put in the battery a battery tender connector. That I have somewhere from here. The battery screws fell all the way inside here. They were inside here. The battery screws, I had to take the whole thing out. And ready to put it back together. One of those things that happens when you have when you're trying to just kind of like make an easier way to charge the battery. Now I can find the little thingy. But anyway, after looking here to see if I could find it, I had to take this out. That out, and found it right here on the on that. So one of those things that happens with those rose tire guys. Now I have to see if any of these screws, are there. I need to be torqued, so I gotta consult with my manual.